Okay, just like I said that I was gonna do a hot sauce shot at 30 subscribers, but I didn't get there, and I want to take it to next level, and I'm gonna take a hot sauce shot at 28 subscribers.
For all those subscribers.
And hopefully you subscribe after this because I have heartburn.
And I'm a subscriber.
This is sriracha sauce.
Yeah, you can read that.
So, we'll see. 3,
Wait.
2,
You're not doing it properly. You need like a little glass.
well, we don't have those, so we're just gonna
Wait.
go ahead and take
I'm pretty
this
sure we
shot.
have little glasses. Hang on a second. I'm the camera girl. That's all we
Did
do.
you pause it?
No, we don't. We can't pause it.
Man,
I'm the camera girl. Saber, can you tell Mom the water's boiling? Well, I guess we don't have any of
okay,
those.
so we're just gonna take this hot sauce shot now.
The lights flickering like dun 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 dun. It's in, it's in, it's in. Okay.
Ooh. It's
Ooh.
honestly spicy.
Do you need milk?
I'm good, guys. I don't need milk.
Wait. You don't have any anyways. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. We have milk. Did you take some?
Ooh, but it was more.
Okay. I did this shot. Now, peace out, gang. Have a nice day, and please subscribe.
Did you watch me do it?